Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to DMV online services. Schedule appointments step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type your state DMV official website URL or search DMV online services with your state name. Click the result that clearly shows the official DMV domain and not an advertisement or third-party website. On the DMV homepage, look for a button or menu item named Online Services, My DMV, or Sign In. Click Sign In to go to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username or email in the first field. Type your password carefully in the password field. Double-check for caps lock and spacing to avoid login errors. Click the Sign In or Login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, select Create Account, Register, or Sign Up. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Provide the requested contact details such as email address and phone number. Create a strong password and save it in a secure place. Complete any verification step like email confirmation or a one-time code. After registration, return to the login page and sign in with your new credentials. Once logged in, find the section called Appointments, Schedule Appointment, or Book an Appointment. Click that section to open the appointment scheduler. Choose the service you need, such as driver license, real ID, vehicle registration, or ID card. Select the office location by city, zip code, or a list of nearby DMV branches. Pick an available date from the calendar shown on the screen. Choose a time slot that matches your schedule. Review any requirements listed for your selected service, such as documents or forms. If prompted, answer eligibility questions or enter details like license number or vehicle information. Confirm your contact information so the DMV can send reminders. Carefully review the appointment summary, including service type, location, date, and time. Click Confirm, Schedule, or Book to finalize the appointment. Save the confirmation number and take a screenshot or print the confirmation page. Check your email or text messages for the official appointment confirmation and reminders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.